Hello everyone and welcome back to 2 Minute English. In today's episode, you will learn 3 useful expressions about shopping that native speakers use in everyday English. So, let's get started. The first expression is shopaholic. Shopaholic. A shopaholic is a person who loves shopping too much and buys things very often. For example, she buys clothes every weekend. She's a real shopaholic. I think I'm becoming a shopaholic. I can't stop shopping online. So a shopaholic is someone who shops a lot. The second one, compulsive shopper. A compulsive shopper is someone who cannot control their shopping and buys things even when they don't need them. For example, he is a compulsive shopper. He buys things he never uses. She tries to save money, but she is a compulsive shopper. This expression is more serious than shopaholic. And the third one, big spender. A big spender is a person who spends a lot of money, especially on shopping. For example, he is a big spender. He always buys expensive brands. She is not a saver. She is a big spender. So, a big spender is someone who spends a lot of money. For example, my sister is a shopaholic and a big spender, but my cousin is a compulsive shopper and can't stop buying things online. That's all for today's episode of 2 Minute English. Like, share, and subscribe for more short English lessons and useful expressions. See you next time.